welcome back everybody. Doing something new today, something special, something different. I know you guys are used to watching videos about travel and making money and so on and so forth. Well, there's a company that sent me something that I didn't have. This is my son's van. He's already using it for his things that, you know, that make him money. So I am also building it out somewhat where I started to, but then now I have lost my interest to actually build it out into, you know, not a camper, but an expediting van. Anyway, sometime we'll get it done. There'll be a few part videos, but today I'm actually going to be installing a camera, backup camera. This thing doesn't have it. It's, you know, 2011 van, so it doesn't have it. And I had a company contact me asking me, hey, do you want to do a video on a camera installation? And I said, sure. Of course I want to do it because the Sprinter comes with one automatically, and this is something new that, you know, this one doesn't have anything. You guys can see that. You can see here. And the way to do this is really simple. And I'll leave the link in the description to their website. It's a wireless, there it is. You guys can see this. TX509R is what this exact model is. So this part here, it's a I guess technically two-piece thing. So this will go right here, just like that, right there. The power is really easy, comes from the light, which is the light right here. We're gonna pop this open, connect it. And then the screen, this goes in your cigarette lighter for power for the screen. Power for the camera itself is coming from the light, so whenever you want to flip the camera on, you just turn the lights on, or flip your, you know, what do you call them, daytime running lights on or whatever. Here's the mount, is what comes in the box. And then the screen itself, right here. So it's a crispy, really nice and crispy, whatchamacallit, 720p, so HD display. We're going to hook it up and we're going to see. Should be nice. So you can mount this thing right here. No more dragging, guys, no more dragging wires all the way through the van. You know, let's open this up. Usually, what you would be doing is, usually back in the day, here's how far I went already with this. Back in the day, you would have to, you know, get power from your battery somewhere and then hook up a wire and then drag it all the way back this way. Then maybe go into here, go into the door, and then, you know, do something with it. Now, super easy, super simple. This stuff here is actually wireless, decent wireless. So let's put this on, make this thing go quickly, and I'll show you guys how supposedly it's got night vision. Supposedly you can let it run if you want and have a backup camera turned on all the time just for safety or whatnot, or whenever you're backing up. So let's turn this thing on, get it installed, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Then I'll show you the installation process as well. It should be super simple. First step is removing this. Taking these out. And by the way, we're installing this on a Ford Econo line, if somebody didn't know. So what we're going to have to do is cut these wires. We're going to cut them and splice in the side of here. Or we don't even have to cut them. We might just, I'll show you guys. I'll show you what we're going to do. We're going to leave ourselves, this is way too much. So we'll leave ourselves, you know, say that much. Cut this sucker. Do this, wherever the black is, somewhere in here. Should be in here. Oh, it's in there. Okay. Now we're just going to splice the wires together in there. The plus goes to the plus, minus goes to the minus. Real easy, just like this. There's your plus. Minus, we're going to do the same thing and put some electrical tape on that. And then screw it in with the license plate and we'll be done on this side. Sure. Let's go see inside, make sure it works, because we can definitely test it right now already. When we put the screen, when we turn the screen on, it comes with an antenna. So where's this antenna? I'll leave that right there. Hook up this antenna, comes with it. Comes with a bunch of other unnecessary things that I don't need. We'll throw this antenna on. I guess it boosts the signal. You got some power buttons and whatever, record, and what you don't want to record. I don't know what it can record. Let's go plug it in. Let's go see what it does. Okay. Look at that. So basically you plug this in and here's your display and it works. So we can tell that our camera works. If we turn the lights off, which it takes it a little bit, there it goes, and the camera comes off. So whenever you want it to work, you basically flip your light switch on and the backup camera starts working. Really easy. It's really nice because doing it this way is a lot better than hooking it up to your reverse lights if you want it to be on longer, or while you're driving, if there's traffic, if you're worried about something in the back, if you guys are pulling a trailer, anything like that. Also comes with a card slot, so you guys can be recording if you want. It's got a miniature card slot in there too, so. Okay, I think we got this halfway figured out. It actually even has a sensor for lighting. If it's nighttime, this is going to be on, so you guys can have some extra backup lighting. When it's daytime, look at that, the light comes off. That's how that works. Anyways, we're shoving all this back in. How much do we need here? Almost nothing. So shoving all this back in with all these wiring. All this, all that, all that, all that goes back in. All together with this. It all goes inside. We put our screws in and we're done. Okay, the right way to do this is you put the bracket in the back and then your license plate up on top of the bracket. And you put your screws in and you're done. That's it with that. Two last ones on the bottom here. Then we're going to go inside. I'm going to go inside, hook up the rest of it inside, put the mount in, and we'll be all done. Here's what this guy looks like. So this just goes on the back, tightens up on both sides, and then this goes on your windshield. And you're done. Let's go take a look. So here it is. Peel this off. I don't know if this guy, okay. Peel that off. I don't know where you'd want it. Probably somewhere right here. Ooh, that's nice and tight. And this guy here, you adjust it right there. And then this, so it doesn't move around. Just like that. Super easy. If you need to turn, you can still turn. You know, whatever you got to do. Works great. If you don't want it to work, you just pull this out of the... If you want it to be off, just pull it out of your DC outlet and you're good. Really nice. So if you guys want to get yourself one of these things, I'll leave the website kind of up on the screen on the bottom. Also, the link to their website in the description. Pretty nice unit, I'm telling you guys. It's really nice. It's got HD. You probably don't get the quality through this camera, but it is HD, 720p, big screen, big display, and you get to see everything. I kind of have the light in the way. You could set this thing to go back even more, but this is way plenty enough. You can see where the bumper is, you can see where stuff ends, and you could still see like 10 feet back still. You know what I mean? From the bumper all the way back, you can see 10 feet back. So if you guys want one of these, like I said, I'm not getting paid to do any kind of a commercial, infomercial, or anything like that. They did send it to me for free, just a disclaimer, to show you everybody else what it's about and how easy it is to install. And literally, it took me, you know, 10 minutes to put this thing in. So it takes me more to get my tools out and put all my tools back than what this took to install. So thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed day. See each other next time.